So now let's go ahead and learn about Redux ToolKit. You already learned about Redux and how it allows you to maintain global state, but the Redux team has also created Redux ToolKit, which makes maintaining global state much more easier. But you still need to know all the different components of Redux. This means the global store, the reducer, the middleware, the subscription model, the dispatch, the action. All of those things are also included in Redux Toolkit, but it's much more clear and much more nicer and simple and more compact. You can always go to redux-toolkit.js.org. That is the official website of Redux Toolkit, and you can follow the tutorials or getting started guides for Redux Toolkit. So let's go ahead and see that how we can get started with using Redux Toolkit. Now, the first thing you need to do is to create your React project. And once again, you have many different options of creating the React project. You can use Vite, you can use Create React App. I'm just going to go ahead and say Create React App, but you can use Vite, that's perfectly fine too. And then the name of the project. So I'll just say Hello Redux. Actually, I should probably create this on the desktop. So let's go ahead and jump onto the desktop. I don't really want to create it in my other directories. So we'll go npx create React app, and we will say Hello Redux. So this is going to create a Hello Redux, which is a React project, onto my desktop, which you can already see. And then we can go ahead and start adding our Redux Toolkit package. All right, so let's first wait for this to finish, and then we can add our Redux Toolkit package. All right, so we have now installed, or we have created the React project using Create React App, and now we can jump into our Hello Redux folder. And one of the packages that we want to install is called the Redux.js package, or the Redux.js Toolkit package. So npm install, and then we can say @Redux.js Toolkit. So that's the package that we want to actually install. Be able to find that also, Redux.js, if we say getting started. And you can see that you can use a Create React App, you can use whatever you want to create that, and here it is. All right. If you're using Yarn, which is also another different kind of a package manager, you can also use that. I'm using npm, so I'm just going to go ahead and copy this command, which is the same one that I pasted, npm install Redux Toolkit. Once you have that, let's go ahead and run it by pressing enter. And this is going to go ahead and install these things. If you're looking at all these security problems, issues, you can try to fix them by using npm audit fix force. If it doesn't fix, sometimes these kind of security issues are just in the thing that is checking all of your packages. So it might not be a real problem. It might be just that the interpreter is just looking into it and then marking them wrong. All right, and John Abramov, who is the creator of Redux, has a very good post regarding that. So I'll try to put that in the YouTube description. And that is pretty much it. So this means that now we have Redux Toolkit installed. We haven't really used anything. We just have installed Redux Toolkit. The project looks like the starter project of any React application, so that's really not different. But we want to create a counter. That's always the best place to start, by creating a very simple app. So now at least we have this working. Now the next step would be to start implementing the counter and seeing that how all of these different things work together.